Hey everyone, welcome back. In this fast-paced tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive pop-up in Power BI in just 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add sleek, customizable pop-ups to your dashboard, perfect for highlighting important info, showing instructions, or zooming in on specific visuals. Pop-ups are a fantastic way to make your reports more interactive and polished, so let's jump straight in. Alright, first things first, we need a button to trigger our pop-up. In Power BI, head over to the Insert tab and drag in a button. You can pick whichever style you like, maybe a blank button or a shape, whatever suits your report's vibe. It's good practice to rename your button so users know what it does. Think more info or show details. Now take a moment to style your button, choose colors, fonts, maybe a neat icon. This little detail helps your end users know exactly where to click. Don't hesitate to spend a few extra seconds here because a well-designed button is inviting and intuitive. Now let's build the pop-up itself. To do this, grab a rectangle shape from the Insert menu. Position this rectangle where your pop-up should appear and assign it a background color that stands out but doesn't clash with your report's design. A light gray or soft blue usually does the trick. The rectangle acts as the main container for your pop-up content, so make sure it's big enough for whatever you want to display. Next, let's add a close button right onto the rectangle. Just insert a small button or shape, maybe a simple X, and position it in the top corner. This makes things user-friendly. Everyone knows where to click to close a pop-up. Now select both the rectangle and the close button and group them together. Grouping ensures they move and behave as one unit, making everything easier to manage, like bundling up all your holiday presents in one box. With your pop-up all set, let's make it interactive using bookmarks. First, open the View tab and click on Bookmark. Add a new bookmark and name it Open Pop-up. This bookmark will show your pop-up when triggered. Next, we need another bookmark for closing the pop-up, so add one and name it Close Pop-up. Here's a key thing, for both bookmarks, click the 3 dots beside the bookmark name and uncheck the data box. This ensures your pop-up only controls its visibility, not any underlying data filters. Think of bookmarks like camera snapshots. They remember the exact state of objects on your page, so updating them at the right moment is crucial. Now let's link these bookmarks to actions. Hide your pop-up group, select Update on the Close Pop-up bookmark, then show your pop-up group and update the Open Pop-up bookmark. This step can feel a little technical, but just follow slowly. Show and update for open, hide and update for close. It's sort of like toggling the lights on and off in a room, capturing each state for later use. Back to our Action button, select it, go to Action in the Format panel, choose Bookmark as the type and point it to Open Pop-up. Now if you hold down Ctrl and click this button in Power BI's desktop mode, your pop-up appears. Give it a try, you'll see the rectangle and close button pop up right away. Don't forget to set the close button's action as well. Select the close button, choose Action, set it to Bookmark, and link it to Close Pop-up. Now test it out by Ctrl clicking. Your pop-up should open and close smoothly, just like magic. Finally, if you want to add a visual like a chart or table, inside your pop-up for extra info, copy the visual, head to the selection pane, and add it to your pop-up group. Now everything within that group will show up together, creating a powerful, interactive information panel for your viewers. And that's all there is to it. You've built a sleek, interactive pop-up in Power BI, perfect for taking your dashboards to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and drop me a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Power BI tips. Thanks for watching.